In the world of digital marketing, SEO is king. But how can you take your SEO strategy to the next level and stand out from the competition? The answer lies in visual storytelling. Visual stories, whether through images, videos, or infographics, have the power to captivate your audience and drive engagement. By incorporating visual elements into your website and content, you can enhance your SEO efforts and improve your search rankings. Visual stories not only make your content more appealing and shareable, but they also create a deeper connection with your audience. When done right, visual storytelling can increase your website traffic, boost time on site, and ultimately improve your conversion rates. So if you want to take your SEO game to new heights, it's time to embrace the power of visual stories. Invest in high-quality visuals, tell compelling stories, and watch as your SEO efforts soar. Get the book today on Amazon.